Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I'm showing you guys part 1 of our living room and kitchen transformation. I'm super excited to show you guys all the things that we have in store for the next couple of weeks. I also want to let you guys know that I will try to be posting once a week, and I'll definitely be doing my home tour coming soon. I'm not going to include spring decor though, because I clearly can't go to the store and purchase anything, so we're just tackling things at home and trying to get projects done. So right here what we're doing is just clearing everything out before we pull up the carpet and then put the laminate down. We did have someone come in and do that, so we didn't tackle that project on our own, but just wanted to take you guys along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this part 1, and part 2 will definitely be coming soon.
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know.
So the first thing we had to do was take some of the decor and stuff to the back guest room, but most of the large stuff I tried to just put on the deck so that way we wouldn't be messing up the back rooms, because they were actually clean that day. So we just put everything on the deck and then cleaned it off that afternoon.
Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
This rug right here is definitely super heavy, so once we took it outside we actually hung it up to clean it, and we thought the vacuum cleaner was picking up everything, but apparently not, because to be honest with you guys, it was pretty filthy. So there's a tip for you guys: if you have like a shaggy rug, make sure to take it outside, hang it up maybe on your deck or something, and just honestly beat it with a broom or shake it really good, and you'll be surprised at what comes out of it. I guess just because of the shagginess of it, sometimes the vacuum doesn't pull every crumb that's dropped on it. So there's a tip for you guys. If you've been following me for a while, you know we used to have a black dining room table that had like the 2-piece glass. It was getting very annoying cleaning and trying to having to remove the glass every time you clean the table to get all the crumbs. And also we're slowly transforming, of course, into more of the glam farmhouse modern look. So I just purchased that dining room table. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. It is already distressed and I bought it that way. It was fairly expensive. It was about $460, and it was used, and we purchased it from Facebook Marketplace, but I'm absolutely in love with it. And I will talk more about that on my home tour that I'll be doing in a couple weeks.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me, and he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter, I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts.
So here is the before look of everything. That carpet was pretty disgusting. I didn't realize how bad it looked until we removed all the furniture. But I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of what it looked like. I'm also going to show you the before of the kitchen. The kitchen vinyl I actually really liked, but I wanted to make sure it flowed because, as you guys know, we have a small 1,100 square foot house, so I just wanted everything to flow and not be choppy, so that way it looks like a more grand space. So this is him removing the carpet and getting all the towel and stuff off the floor, because we found out underneath the carpet there was some towel where the foyer was supposed to be, so he actually had to take that up, which was very time consuming. But here's a sneak peek of what it looks like. Of course, I'll show you guys in part 2 more of how it looks with the furniture and everything, but we love this gray laminate. Gray is definitely in, and I felt like it goes really well with our walls, along with the white molding as well. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope you guys will stay tuned for part 2, and I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Have a good one, and I'll talk to you soon.